morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. I have a very fun ice transfer activity for us today, and all we are going to need is a bowl of warm water, a bowl of ice, blue paint or food coloring, a paintbrush, and a spoon. So I'm just gonna lower this down so you guys can see. So I decided to color my water yellow, just so after we paint our ice cubes blue and we transfer them in, we will be able to see our water turn green. So all we're going to do with our paint or our food coloring is begin to paint our ice cubes. So we will just paint, paint, paint. So you guys can see, just paint all over. You can swirl it around just to make more. And they're looking pretty good so far. And Chief wants to see what's going on too. So I'm just gonna keep painting and keep mixing. And then once I have as many ice cubes as I want, I'm going to start using my spoon to scoop them into the water. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more food coloring and keep painting. Make them more blue, and then I'm going to keep scooping them into the water. It's kind of turning green. So the more blue ice cubes you have, the more the water will turn green. So I'm going to keep doing this and keep stirring them. I can already tell that they're starting to melt. And I hope you guys all give this a try and have a great rest of your day. Bye!